Hello guys, welcome again. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about the function Sumif. So when exactly do we use this function? Suppose we have a list in which we have fruit names, supplier's name, and the amount which we need to pay to the suppliers. And we need to find how much amount do we need to pay for a particular fruit. In that case, we'll be using the function Sumif, as it contains only one criteria. If there are multiple criterias, for example, say we need to find the total amount we need to pay to a particular vendor for a particular fruit, then we need to use the function called Sumifs. So let's take an example for it. For the first scenario, we'll be using the fruit name apple. We'll be calculating the total using the formula Sumif. So formula goes like equal to Sumif, bracket starts. The range is a range where search criteria resides. So in our case, it is column A. So we'll select A2 to A20, comma. The criteria is the fruit's name, which is apple. We'll select G5. Then the sum range is the range in which our amount lies. So we'll be selecting C2 to C20, bracket close, enter. So this gives us the total amount which we will be paying for apple. Suppose I enter oranges. This is the amount we'll be paying for oranges. So in the next scenario, where we need multiple criterias, we'll be using, say, the fruit name pineapple. Let's say the supplier's name is vendor 1. The formula which we'll be using is Sumifs. So in this case, the sum range is the first criteria which we'll be searching. So we'll be selecting the amount to be paid. Then criteria range 1. So the first criteria will be fruit. I selected the fruit range, then I'll put a comma, then I'll select which fruit, which is pineapple, G13, comma, then I'll select the criteria range 2, which is the supplier's name. So once I select this range, I'll put a comma, I'll select the supplier's name, which is a criteria, then I'll close the bracket and I'll hit enter. So we need to pay $483 to vendor 1 for supply of pineapples. Suppose we put in apple, we need to pay $955 to vendor 1 for apples. Suppose I select vendor 2, I need to pay $236 to vendor 2 for apples. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, you can send me an email. My email ID is I'll be more than happy to help you. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.